my channel. I'm about to dye my hair. I haven't dyed it for a long time. If you are new to my channel, my name's Lesleyanne. I'd love you to subscribe to my channel and become part of my little YouTube family. I do all sorts of things on my channel. If you go check out some of the videos, then you'll be able to see mostly everything that I do. However, if you are new to my channel, I have broken my humerus. It's broken in 5 pieces. So I have this on, this brace that's got steel rods in here and everything. Still debating on surgery, all the rest of it. It's a long story, so that's just the short version. My hair is diabolical at the moment. It does need a colour. It's kind of, wow, I don't even know how I describe it right now, to be honest, other than I don't like it. This is the one that I've got. It's Clairol Nice and Easy, and it says it's natural looking colour. This is 9B, natural light beige blonde, so give that a go. I thought, not a bad likeness, even if it just evens it up a bit. They're the colours on the back that you start off with and what you should end up with. So looking at those colours, I think it's pretty similar to what I've got, but it would just even everything up. So I'm going to try and do this on my own with one hand. I could have had help, but I'm just so independent and I like to get things done for myself. So I'm going to start to do this now. So just need to have a little read, see what it says about the application. So I am going to get everything out, get everything ready, and I'll be back. Right, okay, so I've taken my hair bubble out now and I've just pulled my t-shirt down. I've had to remove my arm brace for this. I'm allowed to remove it for showers, so I will be having a shower afterwards. So I'm just going to keep my arm down and still. Of course, I only need to use one glove because I cannot use my other hand. It just doesn't work. My arm doesn't work yet. So I'm giving this a good old shake. If you are new to my channel and you're wondering how I broke my arm, I literally just fell. I literally just tripped over and that was it. I ended up sort of smacking into a fence, fell down and broke my humerus. That's done. I'm now going to use this, like the nozzle, to part them through my hair. Get this all into the root area. That's what I really want to concentrate more than anything, is the root area. So I'm going to concentrate very much on the front, but as I say, it's not going to be, I'm looking in my mirror here guys as well, it's not going to be too dissimilar to the colour I already have on. It's just hopefully going to blend everything. Take long to do, does it? And because I'm not too worried about the ends, it's more concentrating on the root and just combing it through to the ends to give it a more even look. I'm not too bothered about completely saturating the ends. I now think I need to leave that now for a good 20 minutes. I'm going to set my alarm and I'm going to come back in 20 minutes. See you soon. Okay, so my timer's just gone off. It's been 20 minutes. So I'm going to just take some of it. Oop, put my other glove on because I can use this other glove now because I don't need it for the other hand, do I? So I'm going to just literally brush or comb the rest of the colour all the way through to the ends of my hair now. It's a bit difficult when you're doing it with one hand, obviously, but it is what it is. And if I make a success of this, I know that I can do it for however long I've got this flipping problem for, which can be a year, apparently. That fills me with utter joy. Oh, okay, so now I'm just going to go like this, squidge it from the top all the way down the ends, and the same here. Give it a little twist, pop that up on the top for a minute, give it another 5 minutes. Right, I'm going to go in and shower it all off now. See you when I get out of the shower. Yeah, hi guys, I've had my shower. This is what it looks like before I dry it. So as you can see, it is just more or less the same as I had before, isn't it? You can see, other than I do not have different colours up the top here. It looks a bit lighter on the top. But that's just because I've got the light on, the artificial light on here in the bedroom, and it's shining down on my head. So it's making it look a little bit more light on the top. So I am going to leave this to dry naturally, because where I've literally just done it and I've processed it, etc., I don't really want to go giving it any more damage, but it's, the comb is going through it beautifully, look. And I will take a photograph later on to show you what the colour looks like once it's dried. But that really wasn't too difficult for me to do with one hand, was it really? I think because it is like a light colour on a light colour, I didn't have to take too much care over it, if you know what I mean. I think if I was doing a red or dark colour on top of a light colour, obviously I would have to make sure that I've blended all the grey in properly. But for me, I didn't have to this time, so it made it a lot easier, which gives me encouragement to be able to keep it like it and to go get a few more of these, keep them in the cupboard in the bathrooms. I've got them in stock, so when I need to use them, I've got them in. And at the moment they are, I think I paid £4, I want to say £4.49, and then I want to say £4.99, but it wasn't. It was under £5 anyway, definitely under £5. So while they're that price, I will probably get some more in, and yeah, it's not bad. Do you know, I'm getting quite good with this one arm thing, and I'm going to have like muscles out here soon. See you in the next one. Bye my loves, take care. Here we are then my loves, so this is the colour. It's all right, isn't it? I actually quite like it. It's blended in really, really well. So yeah, definitely going to get some more of these in stock. And do you know what? I didn't half do a bad job, did I?